AI developer job role, practical experience guidelines and AI contribution. Welcome to the world of AI development, where cutting-edge technology meets innovative problem-solving. As an AI developer, you'll be at the heart of transforming industries, creating intelligent systems that learn, adapt, and revolutionize how we interact with the world. Whether you're designing algorithms, processing massive datasets, or collaborating with a dynamic team, your role will be pivotal in shaping the future. Join us in this exciting journey. Also be a part of the AI revolution. Job description. AI developers are at the forefront of integrating artificial intelligence into various industries. They design, develop, also deploy AI models along with algorithms to solve complex problems, optimize processes, and enhance decision-making. AI developers work closely with data scientists, engineers, including business leaders to bring AI solutions to life, ensuring scalability, efficiency, as well as alignment with business goals. Industry profile. The demand for AI developers has surged across multiple sectors, including technology, finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. As organizations increasingly adopt AI to gain competitive advantages, the role of AI developers becomes crucial in driving innovation. Also, operational excellence. Key responsibilities. Algorithm development. Create and optimize machine learning models, neural networks, also other AI systems to address specific business challenges. Data processing. Handle large datasets, ensuring data quality, as well as preparing data for training and deployment of AI models. Model training and tuning. Train models using various techniques such as supervised, unsupervised, including reinforcement learning, along with fine-tune them for optimal performance. Integration with systems. Deploy AI models into production environments, ensuring seamless integration with existing systems and processes. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technologies, also methodologies, applying them to improve existing solutions. Collaboration. Work with cross-functional teams, including data scientists, engineers, and product managers, to develop end-to-end AI solutions. At a glance. Your interest. If you are passionate about AI, enjoy solving complex problems, and are eager to stay at the cutting edge of technology, a career as an AI developer could be for you. Entry qualification. Typically requires a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data science, mathematics, or a related field. Advanced degrees or certifications in AI, machine learning, or deep learning are often advantageous. Lifestyle. Expect a dynamic work environment with opportunities for remote work. Projects can be demanding, requiring a balance of creative problem-solving and technical expertise. Location. AI developers are in demand worldwide, with major hubs in tech-centric cities such as San Francisco, New York, London, also Berlin. Remote work is also becoming increasingly common. The realities. While AI development is a high-growth field with significant opportunities, it requires continuous learning, including adaptation to new technologies and methodologies. Soft Skills Guide. Ability to collaborate with a diverse team of engineers, data scientists, also stakeholders. Strong analytical skills to identify issues and develop effective AI solutions. Effectively communicate complex AI concepts to non-technical stakeholders. Creativity in developing novel AI approaches and solutions. Ability to manage AI projects from conception to deployment, ensuring timelines and objectives are met. Career path. Trainee. Begin as a trainee in AI-focused organizations, developing foundational skills in programming and AI methodologies. Junior AI developer. Work on small-scale projects, gaining experience in AI model development, also deployment. AI developer. Take on more responsibility, leading AI projects, including collaborating with cross-functional teams. Senior AI developer. Lead the design as well as development of complex AI systems, mentor junior developers, and contribute to strategic decisions. Further career paths. AI architect. Design the overall architecture of AI systems, focusing on scalability, integration, and performance. AI consultant. Provide expert advice to organizations on AI strategy, implementation, also optimization. Chief AI Officer, CIO. Oversee the AI strategy along with initiatives of an organization, driving AI innovation including alignment with business goals. Related careers. Machine learning engineer. Focuses on designing and implementing machine learning algorithms, also models. Data scientist. Specializes in analyzing along with interpreting complex data to inform business decisions. Robotics engineer. Works on the integration of AI in robotics, enabling autonomous decision-making. Software engineer. Develops software solutions, including AI-powered applications. Business intelligence developer. Leverages AI to create systems that help organizations make data-driven decisions. Here's a list of practical experiences essential for an AI developer role and guidance on how to learn each one using the latest or updated technology. Experience with machine learning frameworks. Practical experience. Proficiency in using popular machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. How to learn. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, edX, also Udacity offer specialized courses in machine learning frameworks. Documentation and tutorials. Go through official documentation as well as tutorials available on the framework's websites. TensorFlow and PyTorch have comprehensive guides. Projects. Start with basic projects, such as building a neural network to classify images, including gradually move to more complex applications like reinforcement learning. Experience in data preprocessing and feature engineering. Practical experience. Ability to clean, preprocess, and engineer features from raw data to make it suitable for AI models. How to learn. Online courses. Enroll in data science courses that focus on data preprocessing, such as the Applied Data Science series on Coursera. Tools. Practice with tools like Pandas, NumPy, also scikit-learn in Python, which are essential for data manipulation. Projects. Work on Kaggle competitions to gain hands-on experience in dealing with real-world datasets. Experience in deep learning. Practical experience. Developing deep learning models for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, or speech recognition. How to learn. Deep learning specializations. Take deep learning specializations, such as Andrew Ng's deep learning specialization on Coursera. Frameworks. Practice using deep learning libraries like TensorFlow and Keras. Projects. Implement various neural network architectures, e.g., CNNs, RNNs, GANs, as well as apply them to real-world datasets like ImageNet. Experience with natural language processing, NLP. Practical experience. Building and fine-tuning models for NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis, machine translation, or chatbot development. How to learn. NLP courses. Complete NLP-focused courses on platforms like Coursera or Fast AI. Libraries. Get hands-on experience with NLP libraries such as NLTK, Spacey, including Hugging Faces transformers. Projects. Develop and fine-tune transformer-based models like BERT or GPT for specific NLP tasks. Experience in model deployment. Practical experience. Deploying AI models into production environments, ensuring they perform efficiently in real-world scenarios. How to learn. Deployment courses. Take courses focused on model deployment, such as MLOps Fundamentals, on Coursera or Udacity. Tools and frameworks. Learn tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud platforms such as AWS, GCP, or Azure for deploying also scaling AI models. Projects. Deploy a simple AI model using Flask or Fast API on a cloud platform, then move to more complex deployments using Kubernetes. Experience with AI ethics and explainability. Practical experience. Implementing AI solutions that are ethical, transparent, and explainable, with considerations for bias and fairness. How to learn. Courses and workshops. Participate in courses or workshops focused on AI ethics as well as explainability, such as those offered by the AI Ethics Lab. Tools. Familiarize yourself with tools for complex machine learning models like LIME and SHAP that help explain model predictions. Reading and research. Stay updated with the latest research along with the best practices by reading papers from conferences like NeurIPS and attending webinars on AI ethics. Experience with reinforcement learning. Practical experience. Designing and implementing reinforcement learning algorithms to create AI systems that learn through interaction with their environment. How to learn. Specialized courses. Enroll in reinforcement learning courses, such as the ones offered by Udacity or Coursera. Frameworks. Practice with RL libraries like OpenAI Gym, Stable Baselines, or RLib. Projects. Start with simple environments, like Cartpole, and advance to more complex tasks such as training an AI to play video games or robotic simulations. Experience with AI and cloud computing integration. Practical experience. Integrating AI models with cloud services to leverage scalable computing resources for AI workloads. How to learn. Cloud certifications. Obtain cloud certifications such as AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty, Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer or Azure AI Engineer Associate. Cloud platforms. Practice deploying and managing AI models on cloud platforms like AWS SageMaker, Google AI Platform, or Azure Machine Learning. Projects. Work on integrating AI models with cloud services, focusing on optimizing for scalability also cost efficiency. These practical experiences, when combined with continuous learning and hands-on projects, will equip an AI developer with the necessary skills to excel in the field, staying current with the latest technological advancements. 8. A contribution to autonomous transformation for AI developer role. Thank you for listening. For more information related to job role or description, follow our channel Career Quest.